Hello and welcome to another edition of Stockwatch. So as we get into the back end of the trading week, we hear that the Amazon union rights voting is really heating up, as the last day of voting for workers is on Monday and the ballots will be counted on Tuesday. And this fight is a key test for Amazon, which has faced criticism not only in America but around the world during the conditions of the pandemic, in which the e-commerce giant has fiercely refused. So most agree conditions in the warehouses are not sustainable for workers to do their everyday jobs, and demanding lots of running around, causing back pain, and also mental health issues have been thrown into the fire as well. So this is a lot of things that the union is actually pushing for to be voted in. But Amazon have spoken out about their workers to vote freely and have said our employees know the truth. Their starting wages are $15 an hour or more, healthcare also from day one, and a safe and inclusive workplace. They encourage all of their workers to vote, and their voices will be heard in the days ahead. So, there's a lot of things workers feel they don't have control of, such as shift patterns, time off, sick leave, and even being fired. So, being fired on the spot for probably not doing the job to their requirements or whatever that will be. So this has been going on for a few years with Amazon. They have been in the headlines quite a few times on their working hours and the way that they actually treat their employees. So it'd be interesting to see the outcome of this. And, will it be a sign of things to come? Because, Amazon workers in Japan, UK, Germany, Italy, France, and Poland are all unionized at the moment. So will this be a sign of things to come in America? Just want to reiterate, this is only in the state of Alabama and nowhere else at the moment. So will this be a domino effect? We'll have to wait and see. And also, I just want to touch on Google, because it has been reported that the company from the first week of September will start asking their employees to actually come back in the office at least 2 days a week. So that will be something significant because the tech firm is obviously seeing a bit of a recovery a post-pandemic recovery as we enter the second quarter of the year. So, will a lot of other companies follow suit with the successful vaccination rollouts that have been happening? We'll have to wait and see. So, looking at some tech stocks yesterday after they were boosted with Joe Biden's presidential stimulus plan for his infrastructure rebuilding. So we'll have to wait and see if that still becomes apparent. But I've got it on the daily chart at the moment, and as I can see here, there was a bit of a boost yesterday. So with Amazon, it has been a bit tricky in the last few trading sessions. Well, from the beginning of the year, let's say, we've been having peaks and troughs. Nothing too much on the RSI, very much ranging in the areas here. So I'll just zoom in a little bit. I just want to basically put in a Fibo from the recent high to just this false break that we had on the downside. And what I'm seeing here at the moment is a possible move past the 38.2 up to the 50%. So these are the levels that I'll be looking over in the next few trading sessions. And obviously with the assistance of the Ichimoku cloud, are we going to break these certain levels as well? We've got the lower border here, which is mixing nicely between the 50 and the 61.8. So again, we'll have to wait and see if that's going to really have any adverse effect trading, and if there's going to be any further upside for Amazon. And we'll just wait and see what the potentials are. I'm just going to bring it down onto the 4-hour chart quickly. And as you can see here as well, I'm just looking to see what the potentials are. We've cleared the Ichimoku cloud on the intraday now, so it's a very, very significant push. So I'll be looking to see if we've got anything lower than the 38.2 on the top border of this Ichimoku cloud, and we'll see if that comes into fruition as well. And just a quick look on Google. Haven't looked on Google for a while, and I've just been looking. The last time I looked in it, I was expecting a bounce off this trend. We had it on the daily chart, but as I say, I'm looking on the intraday chart at the moment, and this was the lower border of the Ichimoku cloud at the time. So just roughly under the $2,000 area, and we're just looking to see if that's going to keep pushing further. We've got some nice support here, and then I'll just be seeing if we can push higher, roughly over the 2130 mark and higher as well. Again, on the RSI, nothing too much in the way of divergences. Obviously, we've got this slight oversold, and now we're going for oversold again. So we'll just see if we're going to start pushing higher. As I said, with the stimulus plan that's been injected, this will be a bit of a boost for technology stocks. So keep an eye on the headlines as well. And as we finish off the trading week, we'll see what next week has in store for us. That's all from the Stockwatch today. Thank you very much for joining me. If you have any comments or queries, please feel free to add them to the post, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Have a great trading day ahead, and bye for now.